The official debut of the LG G7 ThinQ is only a few days away now, but LG is still causing some of its main features. The latest is LG's continued focus on high quality, something that has highlighted the company's previous flagship products, such as the inclusion of Quad-DAC. This time, the G7 ThinQ will feature a boombox speaker that will offer significantly higher sound and bass levels. LG's summary notes that Boombox Speaker is capable of increasing bass sound levels by more than 6 decibels, as well as doubling the amount of bass. When the phone is placed on a flat surface, the bass levels will be further amplified. The company that these improvements add more than 10 times the volume of rival smartphones. All this is possible by placing the new speaker inside the G7 ThinQ and using extra space to create a resonance camera, with the image below that suggests that it takes advantage of the full size of the phone. The presence of the resonance camera also means that users can expect quality audio from the phone itself, instead of relying on the connection of an external speaker.